Hey guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Today, we're going to be looking at the Air Jordan 1 High Electro Orange. Looking at the reviews online, lots of people hated this one, mainly because they're expecting a successor to the shattered backboard and was disappointed with what they got. Me personally, being new to the game, I don't mind it, I like it. And I can judge it for what it is and not have the same expectations as the old heads. One thing to note though, people have been reporting varying QC results on their pairs, and mine was not so great either. Something's off with the toe box. Not fake-like off. I got this pair from a legit retailer. It's just weird looking. I think it's best to be worn with the orange laces. It's a good contrast to how white the heels are on them. I get that people are thrown off by that as well. And I agree to an extent. It kinda limits what you can wear with it as opposed to standard Jordans wherein you can wear it with pretty much anything. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.